On Capitol Hill, there's very little predictability. There's always something that is headed your way. There's no monotony here.
The schedule here is very chaotic and is one of the most difficult aspects of the job.
You're always on the go. It's very competitive career-wise. It's very easy to get focused on your work and forget about other things.
You've got so much to do. It's this very busy schedule that can crowd out God in your life.
I would not be doing this job if it weren't for God's grace and strength, because Washington really is a mission field.
There's a tremendous amount of pressure to perform, and obviously your constituents expect that. They elected you.
The biggest challenge is people aren't willing to work together. It's an us versus them mentality.
If you don't seek other Christian members of Congress, it's just not going to happen by osmosis.